Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to delete undeletable files and folders in Windows 11, 10. Open File Explorer. Go to folder or file location. Copy path. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Type cd space, paste folder path. Type dir space, /x. Type rmdir space, /q space, /s space. Copy shortest folder name and paste it. Type rmdir space, /q space, /s space. Copy shortest folder name and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.